You think it's just 79 days left. What I think is the 79 fresh mornings that we have in our hand. You don't need a new year to start again, you just need a new decision. Let's finish strong, not tired. Let's end this year with peace, not panic. Hello, you guys, and welcome back. So, the other day, I was just sitting with my planner and I realized I actually got a reality check that it is just 79 days left for the year 2026. Like, what? January was just 2 weeks ago, right? I mean, not literally, but it felt it was just 2 weeks ago, and now we are in October already. We will be soon stepping in the year 2026. Also, I was panicking a bit, but instead of panicking, I just thought that let us make this or turn this out into something beautiful, something powerful. So here we are with the video of reset and rewind. If possible for you, you can also take out your planner, vision board, or simply a paper to write on about the goals that you have for the left 79 days. And if you are out somewhere, you do not have pen or paper or anything, you can simply use your WhatsApp text where you can send the message to your own self, or you can take out your notes app, any app that you use, and you can just simply write down with me, or you can watch me doing that. So, step 1, let's rewind. Take a small pause and just reflect on this year. Like, think about this year peacefully. What were your goals that you have set, and what has actually happened? Maybe you have started something in January and life so happened that you were not able to finish it off. So, this step of rewind is not about judging or feeling guilty about anything that was not finished or that you were not able to complete. So, take this moment as your rewind moment. Even I will be taking this moment as my rewind moment actually. So, the first thing that you have to do is you have to take a minute and you have to think about the 3 moments where you felt proud of yourself. So, write those 3 moments and 3 moments where you have learned something. So, let's just quickly write it. It sounds easy, but it will take real time. So, pause this video and just go to your WhatsApp personal chat or the notes app or in your notebook, planner, whatever you have got, and write the 3 things. And yes, we are done. It is that simple. Now it's the step 2, that is to reset and let go of what was and realign or reframe your new goals. You know, I have got hundreds of to-do lists lying around, and those are unticked, unfinished. Like, some of the tasks are done, but some are not. And every time I look at them, I feel like, why haven't I done this yet? But here's the thing. You do not need to carry your old goals to your new mindset because they might not be that much important right now. And now, this step, resetting, is not giving up. It's just getting real. Let go of the things that don't excite you anymore. Let go of the things that drain your energy. Just start fresh. You can literally open a new page, write the date and title it 79 days reset, and that's it. That's the new chapter unlocked. So this is a complete blank page, and now the goals, those were at the beginning of the year, might not be same, but we can have a real action plan for these 79 days, and I can have a new set of goals that I will write right now, and you too can write it. Again, pause the video, you can go back to your WhatsApp or your notes or your journals and write down the goals that you have for these remaining 79 days of 2025. And I am done. Here it is. Blank page को थोड़ा सा भर दिया है मैंने. And we are done with the step 2 as well, and it too was that simple. And this will give you a new vision now for the rest of the 79 days. And the third step is the key step. It is reignite and have a 79 days action plan. Yes, the real working plan. Now, if we break 79 days into weeks, it comes out to be approximately 11 weeks. So that is 77 days, और एक दो दिन को आप अपने हिसाब से एडजस्ट कर लेना यहाँ वहाँ. So we will have 11 weeks. So assign your tasks per week. So you will have a better plan to break down into days. Just pick one or two key focus areas and keep making the plan accordingly. And we will keep December 31st in order to review what we have achieved. Make your mini action plan. It need not to be really fancy. It must be just intentional that this is something that you wanted to work on and this is something that you can actually achieve. That's it. Let's keep it simple, and we are already done with step 3 as well. Now for the planner part, it need not to be something really fancy. It could be just a paper on which you are writing day 1 and the number of tasks that you want to do. I'll quickly show you how you can do it day wise or weekly, or you can simply see this is just a blank paper. I'll use a new one. You can take a notebook or just a simple, like this is a notebook that I have been using. So you can take a notebook, you can take A4 sheets that you can stick on your wall. You can simply use a calendar as well. It is that simple to use. So you can use anything, and what we will do is just write week 1. And now we have 7 days in our hand. So I put the heading week 1. Keep 2-3 lines just to write the tasks that you have to get done in this week. So that's 1, 2 and 3. So I have written week 1, the 3 tasks that I want to achieve in this week, and then the 7 days action plan for this week. So this is the simple action plan. This is week 1, the 3 or 4 or 5 key tasks that you have to cover this week. Day 1, day 2, that is your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and so on up to Sunday. And the first task, you can write the task that you want to get done, second task, third task and so on. So this is for the week. You can make this at your home, or you can use the one that I will attach with the video itself. So you can print it because it will look more cute. You can just print it, you can paste it on your wall, and you can keep a check on that. And since we are doing this together, so I'll also share my 3 to 4 key tasks that I have to get done in these 79 days. So first is finish reading this book that I have got on my birthday. It is a book, A Little Life, and you can see its thickness and even the word count. So this is going to be a real task. Also, I have just gone through the reviews of this book. So this one is really sad. So I want to take a time, like a proper mindset out for this book. So this is one of the tasks that I want to get done. Now I have to be consistent with the content. I luckily have been consistent when it comes to the Sunday vlog, and I have to keep doing that. That's my second goal. And third is living a healthy lifestyle. So every day just putting a little effort in improving your lifestyle will help, I guess. So those are my 3 tasks. Thank you so much for watching it till here. If this video helped you even a little bit, you can consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Till the time, take care and have a nice week. Panicking a bit, right? Not right. Need a little... Stay tuned. Hut.